Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1973 Jeep CJ-5. Nice little vehicle for any occasion. I wouldn't say it's exactly the best for the storm weather, but of course good for off-road and sunny times. This one we have here featuring a full-on orange exterior. As you can even see, they have the nice stylish orange ring headlights, having off-road big beefy tires and black bullet hole style wheels. Definitely a perfect combination of design for the back. You do notice it does have a spare in the back, but hopefully you don't want to ever catch it flat. But moving on to the inside, as you can see, mostly exposed. We have a orange painted dash all the way around. We have aftermarket odometer gauges. Of course, you can see it is a 4-speed manual. Originally came as a 3-speed, but love the conversion to have the extra gear. You got a little bit of a soft top, but a protective roller cage coming all the way around to the back. And of course, you can see we have a back seat with built-in seat belts for the safety of everybody else in the vehicle. Other than that, she handles pretty good. You have also your off-road gears there. Your steering wheel is nice there, 3-spoke wheel. Everything seems to work in this vehicle. In fact, you can even see underneath there, you have the air unit down there. I don't believe it does have AC, but of course the controls were always there in the beginning. But other than that, going underneath the hood with the 304 small block, actually nice to see a V8 under the hood instead of the plain old inline 6. But another way, we're gonna open it up just a little bit for you so you can get a feel of how it runs. As you can see, it is going through the gears pretty smoothly. As for our cluster, everything seems to be running as it should. Temperature about 185, 190, which is pretty common. Other than that, it handles pretty good, doesn't squeal as much, and of course is always good for any kind of occasion. But as for now, we are just gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, stay tuned with us to see the underneath.